Everybody's long anticipated moment is finally about to arrive. Why do you want this? I don't know. Disclaimer: I don't wear shoes inside. But for my own safety, I can't take them off on stream. Okay, disclaimer, I don't wear shoes inside. But for my own safety, I can't take them off on stream because then people would take photos and I'm scared. Alrighty. I'm gonna turn it on now. Can you hear it? Are you ready? Holy shit. Do you need it closer? What does it sound like if I turn... Wait, I should try turning off the compressor. Do you want to hear it? Okay. Hello? Is the compressor off? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. You are warned. Please turn your volume down or else you might not live. Warning, you might die. Okay. Louder? Are you kidding me? More? I don't... Okay, I turned my mic to the max. Let me bring it closer. Wait, I'm gonna vacuum under my table then. I put my microphone on maximum volume settings. It is now so close that I'm actually worried. So, turn it down, okay? Like, actually turn it down. Alright. Here it goes. I've warned you. Okay. Underneath of my desk is chocolate! Oh my god! Everything is chocolate! Oh my god! Exhaust pipes for the hot air on my microphone! Doug said add reverb. Alright, I'm gonna add reverb. Okay, here it comes. Auto-tune! Auto-tune! It's a vacuum! What is it gonna auto-tune? Nothing! My ears feel like they're about to fall off. Oh my god, that was so loud in my ears. That was so loud. Okay, I have one more section that I have to vacuum. And it's close to it's right beside my table, so here it comes again. More incoming. Die, let's go. I'm back. I'm back. Wait. Oh, wait. Now I'm back. Who asked for this? Many people. Can you vacuum again? I missed it. Yeah, of course. Let me get up. Yes. Alrighty. Let me just turn my music off. And then let me turn my mic all the way up. And then let me take off the... What is this called? Compressor off. Push my chair back. I'm just gonna vacuum under my table then for those who missed it, because that was the part where you got the most ASMR. Also, disclaimer again, okay? Just because I'm standing like this doesn't mean I wear shoes inside. Okay. Made dragon, and she does this. What do you do? Alright, cool. Wow, I cleaned so much that I became a vacuum Chad. Clean chat? Do you want the vacuum or do you want the duster? First, I'll dust you. And now that all the dirt is on the floor, boink. Nope. Wrong chat. There you go. Just vacuum. Just vacuum. I should become a full-time vacuum streamer. What? Is this ASMR? No, this is not ASMR. That's why I had to put not real ASMR. Because I really, really, really didn't want people to get this recommended and then be like, oh my god, ASMR stream? Clicks.